Well, here we are at the end of a long day. And about our conference here, we had 170 people in the room present here in Kyoto, sorry. But we had 4,000 people online, and we reached 2 million people significantly via social media, and we had about 20 million people showing interest, but not long enough, so that's something that but you see that we have been reaching much more than the couple of hundred people here in the room, so what was the purpose of this edition? If we reflect to what Constance told us, I mean, sort of bad thing happened. Bad things were happening now that were not happening before. But also it is possible to change, and it is possible to act, and it is possible to act without an external driver. It is not too late, but the clock is ticking. And we have to do something about climate change and biodiversity. So change for a better future is possible, and probably goes through reassessing significantly our development model, our intensive agriculture model, our growth paradigms. But I think maybe the world is ready now, and if it's not ready, we are going to be pushed being ready by our young people. And we should reach anybody, and we should bring anybody to the table, everybody to the table, from the very intensive cereal farmer from the Midwest to the local women group in Uganda. But for that, we need to scale up, or scale out. So we need to move from the localized into everybody being in action. And that's what the Global Landscape Forum is trying to do, create a movement around people interested in sustainable development via sustainable management of landscape. And of course, here, Kyoto, climate change is the critical issue. As I said this morning, last week, biodiversity was a critical issue, and it's still there. We cannot solve the issue of climate change without taking into account biodiversity. We cannot solve the issue of biodiversity without tackling climate change. At the same time, human well-being is a critical issue. We are unlikely to solve anything if we don't pay attention to the human well-being of the people. Change must bring good things, and it must bring good things to everybody. I mean, nobody should be left behind. It's easier to say than done, but it's something that we should keep in mind. And for that, I think that we have had some very good examples today, and we hope that we can count on you, people in the room, people online, in terms of spreading the word and in terms of changing, in terms of improving, in terms of working on the three related issues: climate change, biodiversity loss, and human well-being. So thanks for all the participants. This is the end of the conference. But as there is no end of good things, this doesn't stop here. And we will have, after 6 p.m. Kyoto time, a C4 USAID-led session on wetland. Then from Nairobi, UN Environment will discuss about the UN Decade on Ecological Restoration. Then the youth will organize a session on the climate-smart landscape from the Netherlands. Then if you are still out and you're coming back from Guyane or something, you can have an operationalization of the landscape approach from Vancouver, and ultimately from Brazil, a session on the role of fashion industry in the climate change. So this is a big program that is waiting for you. So if you don't know what to do tonight, I mean, sort of connect to the Global Landscape Forum and you will be kept busy. Now it's the time for me to thank all the people that have allowed this meeting to happen. And I apologize first because generally speaking, I always forget someone. So if I forget you, mea culpa. First, our Japanese colleagues and friends, the city of Kyoto, Kyoto University, the ministry, JICA, and I probably forget someone, ION, our colleagues from FAO, the UN RED, the UN Environment, all the panelists that have taken the time to come and share their experience and make us bigger than when we entered this room in this morning. I would like also to thank particularly the C4 GLF team. I don't know if you are around. If you are around, stand up. Only one standing up. It doesn't work. I mean, I saw some people that did not stand up. And I would have to thank our translator also. They did a fantastic job. I mean, and having said that, I conclude the Global Landscape Forum Kyoto. It is not too late, but the clock is ticking. Thank you very much.